Hello students, welcome to St. Thomas family. Today we are going to start our subject Moral Science chapter first. We already know moral science means value education. Chapter 1 God my life, my strength. God warms his hands at man's heart when he prays. This slogan given by John Masefield. God created us from nothingness. गॉड ने हमको क्रिएट किया, हमको बनाया है फ्रॉम नथिंगनेस. उसको कुछ नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ हम मांगते रहते हैं गॉड के पास, है ना, बाय प्रेइंग. ही मेड अस आउट ऑफ लव. हिज पर्पस ऑफ आवर क्रिएशन इज फॉर अस टू नो हिम एंड टू लव हिम. हमको बस उसको लव करना चाहिए. आफ्टर क्रिएटिंग अस ही डिड नॉट अबेंडन अस. वो हमको कभी छोड़ता नहीं है. ही इज़ विथ अस व्हेन वी सिट, वॉक, स्टडी एंड वॉट एवर वी डू. गॉड हमेशा हमारे साथ है. हम बैठते हैं, चलते हैं, स्टडी करते हैं. He guards us wherever we go. He cares for us like a father. His eyes are always upon us. उसकी आंखें हमारी पर रहती है. God always with us. He cares for us like a father. His eyes are always upon us. In short, we cannot escape from the hands of God. हम छूट नहीं सकते गॉड के हाथ में से, because He is always with us. One day a teacher wanted to test her students. टीचर स्टूडेंट की टेस्ट लेना चाहते थे. So she gave them a munch each and said, do you know munch? One type of chocolate. Find a place where there is no one else and only then eat the munch. टीचर क्या बोले, कोई भी देख नहीं सके, वैसे आप ये मंच चॉकलेट खा जाओ. Since the students liked munch so dearly, they wanted to eat as fast as possible. So all of them went off in different directions to find a suitable corner to eat the munch. सभी कॉर्नर देखने लगे कि कहाँ भी कोई देख ना सके, एक्सेप्ट श्याम. श्याम के बिना सभी स्टूडेंट्स कॉर्नर ढूंढने लगे जहाँ कोई भी देख ना सके मंच खाते हुए. So all the others returned with a great smile of satisfaction. Shyam held the munch and moved from one place to another, one corner to another. वो तो चॉकलेट हाथ में पकड़े हुए इधर उधर जाने लगा. The teacher called Shyam and asked, "Why haven't you eaten your munch? Don't you like it?" क्यों आपने नहीं खाई? आपको मंच खाने की पसंद नहीं है? I went to many secluded places, but I could feel the great presence of my God everywhere. मैं तो सीक्रेट प्लेस पे किधर भी गया, लेकिन मेरे को मेरे गॉड सभी प्रेजेंस आए बोले दिखाई दे. So couldn't eat it, even though I love to eat it, replied Shyam. The teacher was happy to get such an answer from Shyam. टीचर तो बहुत खुश हो गए, उसको ये श्याम का आंसर पसंद आया. Actually, She wanted to teach the lesson that God is present everywhere. टीचर वही लेसन पढ़ाने चाहते थे कि सभी जगह जिधर भी स्टेप रखो गॉड सभी जगह है, वो हम के ऊपर नज़र रखते हैं. यस, गॉड इज प्रेजेंट इन एवरी मिनट थिंग. वी आर एनवेलप्ड बाय एयर बट वी कैन नॉट सी इट. वी कैन नॉट होल्ड सनलाइट. हम पकड़ सकते हैं सनलाइट को, जाओ जाओ, लेकिन वी कांट होल्ड इट, बट वी कैन फील इट. द प्रेजेंस ऑफ गॉड इन अवर लाइफ इज ऑल्सो लाइक एयर एंड सनलाइट. हम देख नहीं सकते, हम टच नहीं कर सकते, बट वी फील इट. We can feel the loving presence of our God, but we cannot see Him, touch Him, or experience Him. If we go high up in the sky, God is there. If we go deep down, He is there. He is above us, below us, and around us. हमारे आसपास सभी जगह God is everywhere. We are guarded and shielded by God. So we are secure in the hands of the Almighty. So always we pray to God. सभी जगह वो हमारा ध्यान रखते हैं. Many times we wonder why He makes us go through bad and tough times or allows us to experience failures. हम कई बार देखते हैं कि हमारा बैड टाइम भी आता है, टफ टाइम भी आता है. We experience. The only answer is God know what is good for us. लेकिन God को तो मालूम है क्या सच है. He has a beautiful plan for us, not for disaster, but for our good. He gives us adversities and restrictions so that we can learn, grow and gain strength. We should just place our faith and trust in Him. हमको हमारा विश्वास बढ़ाना चाहिए by praying. Who is our life and our strength? Here given good slogan, good poem. When we feel battered by life's storms and you are filled with doubt and dismay, just remember God's rainbow is coming for its blessing. You have to only pray. हमें हमारी प्रे कंटिन्यू करनी चाहिए. Don't lose hope. God is our Father and He takes care of us. He will never abandon us. When we face difficulties, when we don't succeed, when we are punished, we naturally wonder. It is if God is really there with us. Doubts fill our minds and we lose our faith in our God. We feel God has forgotten us. कई बार हम ऐसा छोड़ देते कि गॉड हमको भूल गए, वो हमारा काम नहीं करते. बट डोंट लॉस होप. डोंट लॉस योर faith and trust in God. Often when we are successful, when we are hale and hearty, when everything goes as we wish, we tend to forget God. Now who really forgets whom? Does God forget or abandon us, or do we forget God and abandon Him? One night a man had a dream. Other story we learn how we get faith in God. He dreamed that he was walking along the beach with the Lord. Across the sky flashed screens from his life. For each scene, he noticed two sets of footprints in the sand, one belonging to him and the other to the Lord. When the last scene of his life flashed before him, he looked back at the footprints in the sand. He noticed that many times along the path of his life there was only one set of footprints. He also noticed that It happened at the very lowest and saddest times in his life. This really bothered him and he cautioned the Lord about it. Lord, you said that once I decide to follow you, you had walked with me all the way. But I have noticed that during the most troublesome times in my life, there is only the set of footprints. I don't understand why you didn't walk with me. I feel you have abandoned me. कि कई बार देखता हूँ मेरी अकेले अकेले की फुटप्रिंट रहती है. आप तो बोलते ना मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ, तो आपने मेरे को छोड़ दिया क्या? अबेंडन्ड. The Lord replied, my precious child, I love you and I would never leave you. During your times of trial and suffering, when you show only one set of footprints, it was then that I carried you. See, children, God was carrying the man to help him during the time of his troubles and suffering. The mistake he made was that he blamed God for leaving him alone during the troublesome times of life. This clearly tells us God protects us. We fail to understand His love and concern. Let us remember that God is always with us. What is the purpose of our creation? बच्चे find out from first paragraph. Can you escape from the hands of God? Where it is? First paragraph only. Find out this question answer from textbook. Question third. Why couldn't Sam eat his munch? Because third paragraph. He went to many secluded places, but he could feel the great presence of his God everywhere. So he couldn't eat it. From third paragraph. Okay, बच्चे, write down these exercises, question answer, and I send PDF of these answers afterwards. Okay, stay home.